Dear beloved, sweet and frank, becoming and beautiful and good, my heart gives itself to you so that it never tires with another. Therefore I bear you certain love, without pride and without boasting, and I desire your love more than Lombardy or France. For you are the tree and the branch where the fruit of joy ripens, but he who gives himself to you fears neither landslide nor avalanche. For your love secure heals me and revives me and cures me, and takes away my trouble and sorrow with the joy of true gladness. For with color red and white, fine beauty shapes you to be fit to wear a crown upon the imperial throne. And since you are sweet and humane, I'll hold you as sovereign of joy and of well-being, and of worth and of honor. She does not complain of foot or hip, the beautiful Lady Guillemona, nor is she false nor felon, nor does she wear a shoe or a slipper. Never was such a gentle citizen born, nor so sweet, not even the daughter of Lady Constance, for whom youth leaps and dances. For one could not with a plank drive me from the lineage of Narbonne, for in as far as the sky revolves, there is no gold nor silver so graceful a Christian woman, nor Jewish nor pagan, who advances before all others like your becoming semblance. A rich old woman I hold as lacking when she has power and does not give, and welcomes badly and speaks worse. I value her less than if she were lame, but of a gentle Castilian lady, well made with color of crimson, I love her good hope more than a pelt or a fleece. He who breaks away from Diego has no need except to be shot, or that one redeem him entirely alive in a private pigsty, like a little base villain, cowardly, whorehearted, even if he throws himself at the table and takes pains to fill his belly